Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to reset Mail app in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, Settings, now here click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps, here search Mail, you will see Mail and Calendar, click on three dots, as Advanced Options, scroll down, here the option Reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. So just click on reset. Again click on reset. That's it. Now close and restart. So like this guys, you can reset Mail app in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.